In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for QuickBooks online, how to set up your account in QuickBooks, and also how to set up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. So I'm going to put a link in the description and the comment section of this video, so you can click on it. So you come to the QuickBooks, you click on that link, it will bring you to the QuickBooks website. When you get here, and obviously you want to buy it, you can scroll through all these things to see what QuickBooks Online does for you, and you can either click the buy now button up here, or you can do it from here. Now this is the global website I'm on, and so when you come to the website, you decide that you want to buy QuickBooks. It actually gives you, so you see the 50% off for 3 months up here. This might not always be the case. It always changes, right? So anyhow, so whenever you come, it will depend on what is going on with QuickBooks that particular month and time that you're there. All right, you can scroll down here and choose a plan. My advice for this is, if you don't have a bookkeeper or an accountant to guide you in this, really sit down and think about what you would like to get when you buy QuickBooks Online, because you can always upgrade. All right, and make sure you go with the one that fits your budget. Now, so you're finished, you choose one, and you're now going to QuickBooks. Now I'm going to go into QuickBooks Sample Company. So this is already set up, but when you come into QuickBooks, you're going to see this front screen here. The first thing that I would do, you're going to come to Account and Settings. You're going to fill in, so just click on the required box, and you are going to fill in your company's information in each one of these boxes. So you choose a tax form that's appropriate for you, and then you come down here, you choose your industry. All right, then you choose your company type. QuickBooks then gives you a chart of accounts for your company type. Now we're going to go into a chart of account. We're going to go through a chart of accounts in a minute, but I just wanted to show you this part. Then you come down, then you come to contact info, you fill in that information, you fill in your company address and all that stuff. Let's say that you chose the subscription, the final one where you can track your inventory. You come to sales, you want to make sure that you turn that on. So you can come in here too, and you will adjust all these things for yourself. You go to product and services, and you can turn on tracking, right? So track quantity and price rates, track inventory on hand, you turn that on, okay? Now you can go through all these. I'm not going to go through them today, but you can go through these different tabs and you choose which ones you want to turn on. All right, now let's come out of this part. So after you've done set it yourself in there, the very next thing you're going to do now, you're going to come to this accountant tab. You're going to click chart of accounts. You have to make sure that you set your chart of accounts up. So I'll click see my chart of accounts. Obviously this is a sample company, so it already has one in, but QuickBooks will generate one too for you. Obviously yours would not have in any money or anything like that. This is just a QuickBooks sample company I'm using, so that's why you're going to see these numbers here. Right, so when you come in here, you can either do one or two things. You can individually go through the ones that you want that QuickBooks put there, and you can also, if you decide, let's say that you come down here and you say, well, I don't do design and income, that doesn't associate with my company. You come here and you click make inactive. Are you sure they're going to bring up a pop-up message? Click yes, and it will remove that. Some accounts cannot be removed. So this account cannot be deleted because there are bills charges to this account. Okay, I'm going to click on that, make it inactive. Are you sure you want to make this inactive? Yes, and then it is removed. All right. Now, when you're finished going through the chart of accounts that QuickBooks has set up for you, you've deleted the ones that you don't need, but there are ones that you do need. Or let's say that, so there are ones that you do need. You can always click on new and you can go through and see what is what. So you might say it's a fixed asset. You read here what it is. And if you have any questions on any of these tabs, definitely put a comment inside of this, under this video, and I will do a video on it. Or if you want me to go through one of these in another video, but I don't want to make this video too long, I can go through these different tabs to explain them to you. All right. That's why too, a lot of people do get bookkeepers to help them, especially with the setup. But let's say you have an Excel spreadsheet already and you want to upload it. So you don't need QuickBooks chart of account. So you go through and you could delete every single thing that QuickBooks put there. You can make them inactive there. Some of them that might have to stay, you can leave those ones, but it will only be a few. And well, should only be a few that they leave back. And once you clear that up, so you go through them individually, you see the ones that you can delete and ones that you can't delete. Then you click on, instead of clicking new, you click on this drop down arrow and you click import. QuickBooks will allow you to upload an Excel file or a CSV file. And if you don't know how QuickBooks chart of accounts, how they want it set up, because obviously you don't want to upload something incorrectly, download this sample. Right, so when you download the sample, you fill in, you copy, you basically see what they have there, and then you can go through and fill in the other information that you want to add. You can connect your Google Sheets here, and it will allow you to upload it from there as well. That's it with setting up your QuickBooks Online initially. And any questions, you can always put it in the comment section of this video, and if it makes that I can make a video from it, I'll make a video and answer your question. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me. Thank you so much. Bye.